Okay, what I'm doing is I'm gonna make this right here go in the bank right here, go around, because there's a washout right here and it's deep. I don't know if you can see that down in there. That's probably, I don't know, let's see if I can zoom in on it. That's about 12 foot deep. It goes up through here to about where I've been knocking these out right here. You can tell it's a deep hole. And there's my tractor sitting back here, and there's that hole. So what I'm planning on doing is going around this big bank right here, digging this out, and putting all this over here in this washout, and kind of going around this curve so they can get in here to their hunting grounds. This is a hunting club, and it's kind of been neglected over the years. You can see how deep that is right up through there. They don't use it much except side by sides. I'm gonna try to straighten a little bit up right through here. Try to block it up here and there. Keep it from going all at once. And basically I'm just gonna dig out the bank, put it over here. I told them I'll guarantee this work for 2 years, because it give me time enough to find me stuff to put in here, kind of block it off to, I'm trying to get it where they can get to their green fields up here on top of the mountain right now. So right here, this is keeping them from coming up here. I came up through here the other day with my son's razor, and it's pretty deep in here. I'll show that video also. But this right here is a bank and everything. I'm trying to get it focused, but it's right in here. I can kind of show y'all kind of what I was doing right here. I'm just gonna start right in here and dig a road over here and put it over here. And there's a big old hole right there. This sucker 14, 15 foot deep. I think I can get all this bunch of this right here in there. I'll probably make like a bridge for them to come across here. If I can find some timber on my land, I can cut up little stakes and everything for them. So basically I'm gonna get what I can with knock all the tree tops and everything down right through here, a little brush, take a backhoe and just kind of reach over and dump it. Once I get a pile, I'll shove it off down in the hole. I'm gonna kind of do it in little spurs here and there. Not gonna make a full video out of it. And I'll do it at a little time lapse if I can on my iPhone. Yeah, there it goes.